Bringing mammoths back to life is a concept known as de-extinction. It is a topic of scientific interest and debate. While it remains a complex and challenging, current-day technology has made it theoretically possible. Although there are numerous ethical, technical, and ecological considerations to address. Here is an overview of how it might be attempted. Genetic resurrection. The primary approach to the extinction involves using preserved mammoth DNA extracted from well-preserved specimens found in frozen permafrost. This DNA is compared to the DNA of their closest living relatives, which are Asian elephants. CRISPR-Cas9 technology. The powerful gene editing tool CRISPR-Cas9 allows scientists to make precise changes to the genome of an organism. In the case of mammoths, researchers could use CRISPR to insert mammoth genes into the genome of Asian elephants to recreate mammoth traits, creating mammoth-like individuals. Scientists aim to create animals with mammoth-like traits rather than exact replicas of mammoths. This may involve introducing genes for traits like long hair, adaptations to cold environments, and perhaps even smaller ears to minimize heat loss. Surrogate mothers. Once the edited embryos are created, they would need to be implanted into the wombs of Asian elephant surrogate mothers. Asian elephants are the closest living relatives to mammoths and are capable of carrying a pregnancy to term. Ecological considerations. The extincting mammoths also involves addressing ecological concerns. Researchers need to assess how these animals would fit into modern ecosystems, whether they would have a positive or negative impact, and what role they might play in maintaining ecosystem health. Ethical concerns. The process of the extinction raises ethical questions, such as whether it is ethical to bring back species that humans contributed to the extinction of in the first place. There are also concerns about the welfare of the animals created through these processes. It's important to note that while the technology to edit genes and potentially recreate mammoth-like animals exists, there are significant scientific, ethical, and practical challenges to overcome. The extinction efforts are still in the experimental stages, and the successful revival of a species like the mammoth is uncertain. Additionally, there are ongoing debates about whether the resources allocated to such endeavors could be better used for conserving and protecting existing endangered species and ecosystems. What are your thoughts on bringing back mammoths? Please share in the comments below.